What if I told you this isn't a real object? It may look like a solid block sitting on the paper, but it's actually just a pencil drawing. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic 3D letter D using simple drawing techniques. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, you can follow along and create this amazing optical illusion. So grab your pencil, ruler, eraser, and paper, and let's get started. The first step is drawing a clean and bold letter D. Take your time with the outline because every great drawing starts with a strong foundation. Use smooth, confident lines and try to keep the curves even. Don't worry if it's not perfect on your first attempt. Practice is what makes every artist better. Now let's turn this flat letter into a three-dimensional object. Draw parallel lines from the edges of the letter to give it thickness. Keep the spacing consistent all the way around. Then connect the lines carefully to complete the structure. At this point, your drawing already begins to look like a real object sitting on the page. Now it's time to bring the drawing to life. Imagine the light coming from the upper left side. The surfaces facing the light should stay bright, while the opposite sides become darker. Use soft pencil strokes and build the shading gradually. Layering the graphite creates smooth transitions and gives the letter a realistic look. Take your time here because shading is the key to making the illusion believable. The final step is adding the shadow. A realistic shadow makes the letter appear as if it's floating above the paper. Start with a darker shadow close to the letter, then slowly fade it outward using lighter pencil strokes. Blend everything smoothly so the shadow looks natural. This small detail completely transforms the drawing into a realistic 3D illusion. And that's it. You've just created an amazing 3D letter D using only a pencil and a few simple techniques. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single line, and every artist improves through practice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy 3D drawing tutorials. Also, leave a comment below and tell me which letter or name you'd like me to draw next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.